All right, so welcome to today's video, guys. As you can tell, got a nice couch here. So the apartment is moving along, and I guess with this video, what I wanted to do is just give you an apartment update. It's been almost 2 months since I moved in here to this apartment in Vegas, and I figure right now is a good time to give you a new little tour of the space, just because I've gotten some new furniture and I'm really excited to share it with you guys. Now, before we get into this, if you've been following me for a while, you've been watching my videos for a while, you know that when I first moved to LA, you can see the videos, I'm gonna link it up here, wherever it is, of when I first moved in to my apartment, and I was sleeping on an airbed. You know, on top of that, the airbed would lose air in the middle of the night and it would deflate, and it was just not a good setup at all. And I had a little tiny desk that I had gotten from Ikea for like 50 bucks, and that's what I had. So that's what I started with. And as time went on throughout living in LA, not Vegas, I did get some furniture, but it wasn't really furniture that I picked out. It was furniture that, that I had gotten for free, that I gotten, that somebody didn't want. And while I'm grateful for it and I'm thankful that I had it, and it gave me, a bed, and it gave me these things, it just wasn't the way that I wanted it. It wasn't set up for me. So this is the first time that I've actually been able to pick out furniture and to furnish a place. And, I just think about the time, and sometimes we don't always feel like we're making progress. Sometimes we feel like we are stagnant, we're not really moving. And just seeing the furniture that I have here has just overwhelmed me with gratitude. I'm gonna show you guys a tour of the apartment really quick, and I hope you enjoy it. Yeah, so let's check it out. All right. So we've got the couch, which is from Living Spaces. I apologize, the lighting, the sun is setting, it's not the best. I'm trying to do my best here. Nice L couch. We have this Ikea lamp. I do want to get a different lamp for there. We also have this Ikea table here, just a round table. It's pretty decent. We have a 50-inch TV on top of a TV stand. I don't remember the name of the TV stand, actually. It's from Ikea, but it's nice because it has these drawers right here. So you have, these nice slide out drawers. So it's really nice. And then we got the Super Nintendo Classic right there. Excited for that. And then this is my desk over here, guys. If you've, already seen it, cool. But I just have the 15-inch MacBook Pro right there. I had a monitor, but honestly, I just didn't really feel the need for it. So I got rid of it and got the TV instead. So that's my desk. This is also from Ikea. I do need to do a little better job of cable management under there. But yeah, that's the desk. That's kind of the setup right here, just so you can see like an overall view of everything. This is the kitchen. So yeah, that's everything. And the bedroom is not done. So this is still the bedroom, but we got a nice queen bed. I have a brand new mattress under there. So excited for that. I'm probably gonna get the bed frame and get that finished up over the next month or so. And yeah, so that's pretty much the updated tour of the apartment. And I don't know, I'm just really excited for it. I haven't had a 1-bedroom apartment ever. Since I lived in Orlando, I had a studio. It had a bedroom area, but it wasn't like a door, it wasn't an actual bedroom. And then in Orlando, all the furniture that I had was older furniture that I had bought when I was living with my ex, like years and years ago. So it's nice to have a place that I fully picked out, that is me, that is my personality, my aesthetics, my look that I want. And I'm excited for it. I really, really like it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So if you guys did, make sure you're clicking the thumbs up below. Make sure you're subscribing to the channel as well, because I'm gonna be putting out more and more videos, guys. I wanna get even better at these videos. I wanna do these more Part of my issue has been just since I haven't been doing them, my shyness on the camera has been really bad. So the more I do it, the better you're gonna get. That's a tip for you as well. But make sure you smash the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.